welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this distressed wood grain tumbler. And it was so easy to make. It's definitely beginner friendly and it was so easy. It only took me about 2 to 3 days and it turned out so pretty. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. Okay, so I'm just starting out with a fully sanded and prepped cup. I just sprayed it with my Rust-Oleum flat white. And I'm just going in with my Bombay inks. This is the color magenta, I believe. And I'm just applying it in an up and down motion. You don't want to do side to side or anything else like that, because if you go up and down, you know, you're kind of getting that wood grain look. So I'm just trying to apply it. Really, I mean, you don't want to go too hard either, or else it's gonna look really like it's gonna streak really bad. So just kind of with a light hand. I'm just using a 1-inch paintbrush that I get from Home Depot. It's like 85 cents, I believe. Now I'm going in with this purple. I kind of mixed the purple with the pink, and then I added a little bit of white in my alcohol ink, because I wanted to give it kind of some dimension, so I wanted to add a different color to it also. And I'm really liking how it looks. And I'm going in, and you see some of the white spots. That's just me going in with a little bit of water on my brush and getting those whites, kind of not white, but lighter spots on the cup. Now I'm going in and I'm going to do my first coat of epoxy. And for this coat, I kind of go a little lighter than I usually would. I think I applied around maybe 15. So after I let my first coat dry, I did go in with a second coat around 6 hours later, and I added some glitter to that coat. Like I added it in my epoxy. I used Bright by Peachy Olive glitters, and it looks so pretty on there. So I'm just going in with my decals. I just got these designs right off Cricut. And I'm kind of placing my sunflowers kind of far away from each other, because I'm gonna kind of distress this, like the spots in between the sunflowers. Now I'm going to go in with my Rust-Oleum 2x in the color Sweet Pea, and I'm going to paint right over my design, and it's going to be kind of like a peekaboo. So after I let it dry for about, I want to say 3 hours, I'm just going in and I'm taking the vinyl off. I'm not going to lie, guys, this design took me at least 45 minutes to weed. It was giving me a really hard time because the pieces were so thin and so small, but we got through it. So it's looking really nice now. Now I'm going to go in with some acetone and some 91% alcohol, and I'm going to go in and distress some of the spots. Like I said earlier, in between my sunflowers, I kind of wanted to give it like a rustic look. So I went ahead and added my decal so I would know where to distress the spots around my design. And all I did was cut a offset, and it says Be Wild, and I just created the same text and put it over it. So this is how it turned out. I'm really liking how it's looking so far. I'm gonna go in with my epoxy. I have about 30 mLs mixed right now, and I added in some of the Bright by Peachy Olive glitters into my epoxy, and I'm gonna apply that all over my cup. I just wanted to show how good this shine is on this tumbler. It is so sparkly. So the epoxy that I use is a little extra epoxy. It is the best one I've used so far, and the shine is so unbelievable. So this is the final product, and I'm really liking how it turned out. I like the distress patches that I did all over the cup. This was so easy and so simple, so it's definitely beginner friendly. I was able to finish it in 2 days, and it turned out so pretty, guys. I hope you guys liked this video and were able to learn something from it. If you guys have any other ideas or tutorials you want me to do, comment them down below and I'd be happy to do them. So if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time.